In this video, I'll be showing you how to adjust or change brightness level in Forza Motorsport. Let's hop into the game. Then in the main tab of the game, click Settings to open it. In here, go to the next page of the setting and click the Video Calibration tab. Now you can adjust the brightness using the slider below. Adjust it to your liking, and that's about it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.
That was your best lap yet.
This is my timeline.